Hey there, coffee comrades! Welcome to BuzzList's caffeine-fueled adventure into the world of coffee. Get ready to dive into a steaming cup of knowledge, exploring the unique benefits and delightful quirks of different coffee styles. From the bold and intense to the smooth and comforting, we'll uncover the perfect brew to fuel your day. Whether you're a seasoned coffee connoisseur or just starting your journey, there's always something new to discover in the vast world of coffee. So, grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's embark on this flavorful adventure together. Get ready to unlock the secrets behind your daily cup and discover a world of coffee you never knew existed. First up, let's talk about the OG of coffee, black coffee. This no-nonsense brew is like that friend who always gets straight to the point. No frills, no fuss, just pure coffee goodness. Black coffee is your ultimate productivity booster. Need to power through that to-do list? Black coffee is here to the rescue. Its high caffeine content will kickstart your brain and keep you focused. Plus, it's super low in calories, making it the perfect guilt-free pick-me-up. So embrace the boldness, feel the caffeine surge, and conquer your day, one sip at a time. Next, we have the beloved latte, a hug in a mug. This creamy delight is perfect for those who like their coffee with a touch of sweetness and a whole lot of comfort. Steamed milk and a thin layer of velvety foam transform a simple shot of espresso into a luxurious treat. Latte art adds a touch of elegance, turning your daily coffee into a mini masterpiece. Whether you're catching up with friends or enjoying a quiet moment, a latte is the perfect companion. It's like a warm blanket on a chilly day, soothing your soul with every sip. Feeling adventurous? Then espresso is your go-to brew. This concentrated shot of coffee is not for the faint of heart. It's strong, intense, and packs a serious caffeine punch. Espresso is the base for many other coffee drinks, but it's also delicious on its own. The concentrated flavor allows you to experience the complex notes and aromas of the coffee beans. So, if you need a quick boost of energy or want to explore the depths of coffee flavor, espresso is the way to go. For those who can't decide between a latte and an espresso, the cappuccino offers the perfect compromise. This Italian classic combines equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and foamed milk, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. The result is a rich and creamy coffee drink that's both indulgent and satisfying. The thick layer of foam on top provides a delightful contrast in texture, making each sip a multi-sensory experience. Whether you enjoy it as a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon treat, a cappuccino is always a good idea. Legend has it that the Americano was invented during World War II, when American soldiers in Italy found espresso too strong for their liking. To make it more palatable, they added hot water, creating a drink similar in strength to their beloved drip coffee. Today, the Americano is a popular choice for coffee lovers who enjoy the bold flavor of espresso but prefer a less intense experience. It's a refreshing and versatile drink that can be enjoyed any time of day. Calling all chocolate lovers. The mocha is a match made in coffee heaven, combining the rich flavors of chocolate and coffee in perfect harmony. This decadent treat is like a dessert in a mug, satisfying your sweet tooth while providing a caffeine boost. Made with espresso, chocolate syrup, steamed milk, and topped with whipped cream, the mocha is a true indulgence. It's the perfect drink for when you need a little pick-me-up or want to treat yourself to something special. Cold brew crew, smoothness in every sip. Cold brew is like the cool kid on the block, known for its smooth, refreshing taste and naturally sweet flavor. Unlike traditional iced coffee, which is brewed hot and then cooled down, cold brew is steeped in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. This slow brewing process extracts fewer bitter compounds, resulting in a less acidic and smoother coffee concentrate. Cold brew can be enjoyed on its own or customized with milk, sweeteners, and flavorings. It's the perfect summer drink, keeping you cool and caffeinated all day long. Decaf delights. Enjoy coffee anytime. Who says you need caffeine to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee? Decaf coffee has come a long way, and there are now plenty of flavorful options available. Decaf coffee undergoes a special process to remove most of the caffeine while preserving the taste and aroma of the beans. So whether you're sensitive to caffeine or simply enjoy a cup of coffee before bed, decaf allows you to indulge any time of day or night. Don't let anyone tell you decaf isn't real coffee, it's just as satisfying. Spilling the beans fun facts about your favorite brew. Now that you're a coffee connoisseur, impress your friends with these fun coffee facts. Did you know that coffee beans are actually seeds from a fruit called a coffee cherry? Or that Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer? Here's another one. The coffee belt, located between the tropics of Capricorn and Cancer, is where most of the world's coffee is grown. And get this, coffee was discovered by Ethiopian goats who got a little too hyped after munching on coffee cherries. See, coffee is full of surprises. There you have it, coffee lovers. A whirlwind tour of the diverse and delicious world of coffee. From the bold and intense to the smooth and comforting, there's a perfect brew out there for everyone. So go forth, explore different coffee types, and discover your new favorite caffeine companion. Don't forget to share your coffee adventures with us. What's your go-to coffee order? Tell us in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to BuzzList for more caffeinated content. Now go forth and caffeinate the world.